Hello. Today I'm going to discuss the difference between the active and the passive voice when it comes to Latin verbs. For those who have studied Latin before, here's a quick reference. All the forms are in the indicative mood, present tense, first person, singular number. We are just looking at the difference between active and passive voice translations into the English language. The form for your active verb is voco, and it translates to simply I call. There's no question, you are calling. You may be calling somebody else or something. It is not specified here. Your passive form would be vocor, and it has a longer translation. There are more English verbs required, and there are multiple translations which are correct. You could either have I am called or I am being called. The square brackets denote the fact that the being is not required in this English translation, but it makes it a progressive translation. As you can tell, the passive version indicates that you are being called something, that you are receiving the action. So often in English, as a more colloquial translation, you'll hear, my name is, although that would require an extra noun on that verb. This just means I am being called another name. Again, if you want to have any other meaning be attached to this, you would need a noun or other verbs to help with that, complete the meaning. That's the difference between active and passive voice. Thank you for listening.